Are you searching for business accounting management software? Here is an explainer video. Please take a look.
A business web and software development company.
You know, running a business, it can often feel like you're constantly juggling. You've got inventory over here, invoices over there, and you're always trying to keep up with these super complex tax rules. It can be just chaotic. But what if there was a way to actually tame that chaos? Let's dive into that. So let me ask you this, and be honest. Is your business running you? It's a simple question, but it really gets to the heart of the problem for so many business owners. Do you ever feel like you spend your entire day just reacting? You're chasing paperwork, you're fixing little errors, you're just constantly trying to keep your head above water? If that sounds even a little bit familiar, believe me, you are not alone. And this is why you feel that way. This is the source of all that stress. The chaos really comes from these exact things. You've got your data scattered across 5 different spreadsheets? All that manual data entry leads to these really costly mistakes. Tax filing feels like you need a PhD to understand it. You don't have a real-time grip on your inventory, and it feels like none of your teams are ever on the same page. It's not just tiring, it's actively holding your business back from where it could be. But what if you could connect all those dots? What if you could switch from constant firefighting to actually making confident, forward-thinking decisions? Well, the good news is you can. So let's take a look at what a smarter way to work really looks like. Meet KMS BUSY. Think of it as the central nervous system for your entire operation. It's designed from the ground up to be a complete, all-in-one business management and accounting software that brings clarity and, most importantly, control back into your workflow.
So what does all-in-one actually mean for your business day-to-day? Well, it means no more fragmented data. It means one single smart platform that handles your GST billing, your invoicing, your inventory, your expenses, and your tax filing. It's all in one place, finally talking to each other and working together.
Okay, so that sounds great, but how does it actually pull all of this off? Let's open up the toolkit, so to speak, and break down the key features, the specific tools that are designed to put you back in the driver's seat of your business. First up, let's talk inventory and production. Now, for any business that makes or sells physical products, this is, it's everything. This system lets you track your stock at every single stage, from the moment raw materials arrive through all your production runs, all the way to the finished goods heading out the door. You can even get super detailed and track by batch, size, or color. So this isn't just about counting boxes. This is about having precision control that helps you prevent stockouts and avoid wasting money on overstocking. And that same level of control, it extends to your pricing. And listen, for anyone in distribution or wholesale, this is a total game changer. You're no longer stuck with just one price for everybody. You can set up specific rates for different dealers, different customer groups, or even for individual items. That kind of flexibility lets you build much stronger relationships and manage really complex sales structures without breaking a sweat.
Okay, now for the big one, the one that gives almost every business owner a headache: taxes. Staying compliant, especially with regulations like GST, is a huge hurdle. It's complicated, it's super time-consuming, and let's be honest, mistakes can be incredibly expensive.
And this is just brilliant. This is how KMS BUSY simplifies it. It takes this ridiculously complex process and boils it down to just 3 easy steps. Step 1, you generate perfectly accurate GST-compliant invoices in seconds, just as part of your normal workflow. Step 2, you create your official e-invoices and e-waybills right inside the software, no jumping to another portal. And Step 3, when it's time to file, all the reports you need are generated with a single click. It literally turns a major headache into a streamlined, simple process.
And hey, it's not just GST, by the way. The system is built for all the different tax structures you find across the region. It supports everything from value-added tax, or VAT, to withholding tax, and a whole lot more. That kind of adaptability is absolutely crucial for any business operating in or across different countries in South Asia. So who is this really built for? This software was designed from the very beginning with the unique challenges and needs of South Asian businesses in mind. So let's dig into exactly which kinds of companies are going to see the biggest benefits. At its core, KMS BUSY is really designed for these 4 main pillars of the economy: manufacturing, distribution, retail, and services. So whether you're making things, moving things, selling things, or providing a service, the platform has features that are tailored just for you. And we can get even more specific, which is what's so cool. I mean, just look at this list. We're talking everything from iron and hardware distributors to mobile phone shops to FMCG supermarkets and even cotton and rice mills. This just shows how incredibly versatile the software is. It can adapt to the very specific needs of all these wildly different industries. The focus here is crystal clear. This is a tool built by and for the South Asian market. It comes with a deep understanding of the local business culture, all the regulations, and the economic realities on the ground. And this slide really hammers that point home. The software is customized and ready to go for businesses in Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, the Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. And what's so important is that all the local tax laws and compliance rules are already built right in. So, when you combine all of these features, what's the ultimate result? What's the bottom line? Well, it's a fundamental shift in how you run your business. You get to move from just surviving the day-to-day chaos to actively driving your own growth and profitability. You know, this quote really just says it all, doesn't it? The goal isn't just to do things a little bit faster. It's about fundamentally changing your approach, giving you the time and the accurate data you need to make genuinely smarter business decisions. Which brings us right back to that first question we asked, but with a new perspective. Instead of asking if your business is running you, the real question now is, are you ready to take back control? If the answer is yes, or even maybe, the next step is super simple. Just reach out and request a free demo to see for yourself exactly how this toolkit could transform your business. All the contact info you need is right here. This is your chance to stop managing chaos and start building a strong...
If you help this video for your business,
Visit our website www.kittysms.com
www.kittysms.com. And please
follow, like, share, and subscribe.